Ladies and gentlemen, trainers and trolls, welcome to the absolute chaos that is Pokémon Unite. And today, oh boy, we're rolling out the biggest, sleepiest, most unstoppable wall ever. That's right, Snorlax is here, and he ain't just sleeping. I'm talking to 197 points dumped, 7 opponents absolutely deleted, and get this over 100,000 damage absorbed. That's right, I tanked hits like a champ, healed up like it was nothing, and still kept the enemy team crying for their mamas. Watch as I body block entire lanes, slam opponents with heavy slam, and take naps right in the middle of fights because who needs strategy when you've got maximum comfort? So if you're ready to witness peak Snorlax gameplay where I turn into a literal brick wall and carry my team like a champ, stick around. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite Snorlax moment. Let's get into it. And that, my friends, is how you turn Snorlax into an absolute menace. Blocking goals, body slamming enemy, and taking more hits than a punching bag at a boxing gym. If you enjoyed watching me be the ultimate tank, make sure to drop a like, smash that subscribe button like Snorlax smashes enemies, and comment below who's your favorite defender in Pokémon Unite. Alright, I'm off to take a well-deserved nap, but don't worry, I'll be back with more insane Pokémon Unite action. Until next time, stay lazy, but play smart. Peace.